up? Put the eyes on it. Okay. Amadi, let Valencia sit there.
What you think?
Oh, yes, perfect. Okay, let me sit there.
Oh, I got
And then
this
here.
one.
Hey, where's the eyes?
Right here.
Okay, I'm going to help you with that. Okay, here.
Oh, I can't do it.
Here. Ah. Okay, you choose what you want. Here, here's the picture. Oh. Where's another one? What's this? Fox or fox? Fox. What's this one? Squirrel. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Look for the squirrel. Woo-hoo! Okay, then you put your name on the back and the date, okay? Oh, you go. Okay, come on. Let me see. Look for the, what do you want? A fox? Fox, that's fox. Oh, it's a fox. This is squirrel. This is a what? This is scarecrow. And this is the turkey. And this is fox too. Okay. Fox. Okay, good.
Done.
Done. Yeah, put it in. Okay. How about the date and the back? Your name and the date. Come here. With your date. You're going up. Sit down here. So, sit your pants. Sit your pants.
I'm busy. How should I know?
About. What about? What do you want? This one. You choose. Come on. What do you want? This one. First, we have to look for that leg. Look for the leg.
Andrea, how is your salad?
That's fine.
Is it good?
Yep.
Done.
Done. You. Okay.
But you gotta show me for next.
Yes. Here you go.
What does this go to?
I don't know. Do it. For the leg.
Just a little.
Come here. Yes.
Được.
I might.
Come here. Okay, what do you need?
Something to go on. This is a fox, so this head.
Look for. Nothing.
This is
For the.
right here.
This one first. For the whole body. Hey, come. Come. Sit down. Sit down.
I like that.
Well, let's see.
I'm gonna put it on top.
Yes, on top of it.
Like that.
Yes, like that. German, very good.
I'm gonna put the eyes.
Put the eyes after. I think you have to put this on top. Here,
Put this on top.
Yes, on top of the next one.
Okay. Now what?
Look at the picture.
Ini kena benar. Sabi niya, read it. Oh. Dear Roger, you're like a real father. Like a daddy to me. I miss you since yesterday night. Angie, your
Come here.
your daughter.
Isang alis.
But see, I asked her, oh, you wanna go outing with me? No, I just want to stay here with Tamara. That's why.
Now what?
Tamara.
We're not
Look,
finished.
Roger.
Good. Very nice.
You gotta put your name on.
Very nice. You're
Sit down, sit down, sit down. One more.
What is that? A car?
You see, we did not go to Southland Mall because you said you want somewhere else. Indoor. Yeah. See, this is okay with us. Huh?
Okay. Now, what's next?
It's nice. Right?
You have to put
Wipe your mouth.
the hand first. These two.
Very
The arms. Those two. Oh no. The acorn first. Is that the one? No, this is it. I think this one. Look, he's holding the acorn.
This one?
Yes, this one.